Good morning, children. Today we will study about the perimeter of a circle. Okay, children. So finding the perimeter of a circle is not simple. Why it is not simple? Because it is circular in shape. तो हम scale से if we try to measure, even if we will try to measure it with the help of the scale, see it is not possible to have the length of it. So it is a bit difficult to measure the perimeter of a circle. So in this topic we will be studying different methods. We will have to find out some short method by which we can find out the perimeter of a circle. So first of all, let me tell you that the perimeter of a circle, we do not call it a perimeter, but we call it circumference. Perimeter of a circle is known as circumference. Circumference of the circle means the circular length of the circle is called the circumference of the circle or perimeter of the circle. So it is quite difficult to measure the perimeter of a circle. Only one method we can follow, but that is also quite tedious. Here what we can do, suppose this lid resembles a circle. What we can do is, with the help of a string, if we take a string like this and we tie it around this, okay, so till here it will come, means this length will be the circumference. अब हम ये हमारे पास straight length होगी, तो इसको measure करके हम measure कर सकते हैं कि this is the circumference of this circle. Suppose this length will be equal to, if we start from 1, it is going up to children. If we start from 1, it is going up to 11 approximately. So we can say 11 centimeter is the length of, is the circumference of this circle. Suppose if we take another lid, so different lids we can take, different circles. With the help of this string only we can find out the circumference. There is no other method of finding out the circumference of the circle. Like this we will get a straight line. So this straight line we can measure with the help of a scale and we can find the circumference of a circle. But this is not possible on the paper. Paper, how we can measure with the help of a lid? So we will need a particular formula to find out the circumference of a circle. So this only in this topic we will be studying, children. So let me show you what will be the formula for finding out the circumference of a circle. Let us proceed, children. In this, let us take some examples. Suppose we take circumference and diameter of few circles. Let us take circumference and diameter of few circles. Suppose the circumference of one circle is 11 centimeter. Now this was 11 centimeter. Let us measure its diameter. Diameter means what, children? Let me explain you about the parts of the circle first. Suppose this is the circle. You already know this, but let me revise it once. This is the circle. The boundary, the length of the boundary of the circle is called the circumference. This is the point exactly, the center of the circle is called the center of the circle. इस point से आप circle पे कोई सी भी line draw करो, वो equal होगी. Okay, children? So this is the definition of the circle, that from the center of this figure, whichever line we draw to the circle, it is equal. Same, it is of the same length. Okay, तो ये हो गया सेंटर. इस सेंटर से लेके सर्कल की को जो लाइन टच करती है, दिस लाइन इज कॉल्ड द रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल. वी कॉल इट रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल. इट मे बी एनी लाइन फ्रॉम दिस सेंटर टू हियर. It may be from here to here, means any line joining the center of the circle to any point on the circle is called the radius of the circle. The radius, singular is radius, plural we call it radii. Okay, children? So these are the radii. Many more radii we can draw. The line joining the center of the circle to any point on the circle is called the radius of the circle. Then another part we have that a line joining any 2 points on the circle, any 2 points. Let us take this point and this point. Now this line joins these 2 points. Let us take this point and this point. So this line will join these 2 points. So these lines which join any 2 points on the circle are called the chord of the circle. What do we call them? Chord of the circle. Means radius of the circle is the line joining the center to any point on the circle. Chord is the line which joins any point on the circle to another point on the circle. Now the third thing is, these are all chords. Suppose one point is here and another point is here. So this is also a chord, isn't it, children? Do you agree this is a chord? Because it is joining one point of the circle to another point of a circle. This is also a chord because it is joining this point and this point from here to here if it comes. So this is also the chord. But children, you may notice that this chord and this chord, they are special. Why? Because they are not only joining 2 points on the circle, but they are passing through the center of the circle also. So these, what means this type of line segments which join 2 points on the circle and they pass through the center of the circle are called diameter of the circle. What do we call them? Diameter of the circle. So 4 things we have studied in this which are important for you. One is the length of the boundary of a circle is called its circumference. The line segment joining the center of the circle to any point on the circle is called its radius. A line segment joining any 2 points on the circle is called the chord. And a line segment which joins any 2 points on the circle but passes through the center is called the diameter. ये जो लाइन है, ये इस पॉइंट और इस पॉइंट को ज्वाइन कर रही है लेकिन ये सेंटर से होके गुजर रही है, then we call it diameter. Similarly, this is also a diameter. Why? Because it is not only joining 2 points on the circle but at the same time it is passing through the center also. If we take this line is also joining 2 points on the circle but passing through the center of the circle also. So this is known as diameter. So this is all about the parts of the circle, children. Now let us move अब हम कोई भी सर्कल ले लें. Some examples are given in your book, children. Let us take those only. Simply why to get confused. Suppose you draw some circles. आप कुछ circles draw कर लीजिए और उनके circumference और diameter निकाल लीजिए. Okay, you may draw with the help of a cardboard or you may take plates with the help of a string. आप उनका circumference निकाल लीजिए और diameter निकाल लीजिए. तो here some are given. Suppose 22 centimeter is the circumference and 7 centimeter is the diameter. Then suppose कोई circle है जिसका 44 centimeter circumference है और 14 centimeter diameter है. Okay children. Then suppose कोई circle है जिसका 66 centimeter circumference है और 21 centimeter diameter. We will take only these 3 examples, children. I just want to explain you how to find out the formula for finding out the circumference. अब यदि हम इसका रेशियो निकालें, रेशियो ऑफ सर्कमफेरेंस टू द डायमीटर, सो इट विल बी 22/7. ओके, जब 7 से 22 को डिवाइड करेंगे, लेट अस टेक लिटिल मोर स्पेस चिल्ड्रन. If we will divide this 22 by 7, 7 3s are 21. 2 minus 1 will give us 1 0. Put a point here and put 1 0. So 7 1s are 7. 10 minus 7 will give us 3. Again put 1 0. So 7 4s are 28. 10 minus 8 will give us 2 0. So 7 2s are 14. 10 minus 4 will give us 6. Put 1 0. 7 8s are 56. Again 4 will come. And we will keep on doing like this. Then 1 more 0 we will put. So 5s are 35. Then 5 will come. Again put 1 0. So it will be 7 7s are 49. then again 1 will come children, this, so it will get repeated now, ये recurring हो जाएगा, आपने पहले किया है ये, if you will keep on dividing it like this, ये एक प्लेस पे जाके रिमाइंडर वापस से 1 हो गया, तो हम फिर 0 लगाएंगे, तो फिर ये पूरा 1 4 2 8 5 7 रिपीट हो जाएगा, तो इसे अगर हम राउंड ऑफ कर ले 2 प्लेसेस पे, तो इट विल बी अप्रोक्सीमेटली 3.14, सो इट विल बी 22/7 और 3.14. Similarly 44/14 को भी अगर हम लोएस्ट टर्म पे रिड्यूस करते हैं, so it will be 22 and this will be 7. So again 22/7 will be 3.14. Similarly 66 और 21 को अगर हम रिड्यूस करते हैं लोएस्ट टर्म पे, they both will get divided by 3. So 22/7. तो हर कंडीशन में इनका रेशियो सेम आ रहा है, isn't it? 22 और 7 है तो भी 22/7 या 3.14 आ रहा है, फिर 44 और अपॉन 14 है तो उसे भी अगर हम लोएस्ट टर्म में रिड्यूस करेंगे तो वो 22/7 हो जाएगा, 66/21 है तो वो भी रिड्यूस होके 22/7 आ जाएगा. सो मीन्स इन एवरी केस द रेशियो ऑफ सर्कमफेरेंस टू डायामीटर इज कमिंग सेम. अगर हम फ्रैक्शन में लिखे तो 22/7 आ रहा है, और अगर उसे हम डिवाइड करें तो 3.14 आ रहा है अप्रोक्सीमेटली. सो दिस इज अ कांस्टेंट, मतलब जो चीज बार बार एक जैसी आ रही है उसे हम कहते हैं कांस्टेंट, सेम आ रहा है. ओके, सो दिस इज अ कांस्टेंट, और इस रेशियो को हम कहते हैं पाई. व्हाट डू वी कॉल इट? वी कॉल इट पाई. इसका सिंबल ये है पाई. ओके चिल्ड्रन, वी कॉल इट पाई. इसका सिंबल होता है ये इस तरह से 2 लाइन्स एंड देन 1 horizontal line, okay, 2 vertical lines, 1 horizontal line on it. This is a pi. So ये जो रेशियो है, रेशियो ऑफ सर्कमफेरेंस टू डायामीटर इज कॉल्ड अ पाई, क्योंकि ये हमेशा एक जैसा होता है, कांस्टेंट होता है. तो हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? सर्कमफेरेंस अपॉन डायामीटर इज इक्वल टू पाई. तो अब सर्कमफेरेंस कैसे निकालेंगे? अगर हमें सर्कमफेरेंस निकालना है तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं? सॉल्व द इक्वेशन, टेक दिस डायमीटर टू द राइट हैंड साइड, हियर इट इज इन डिवीजन, ये यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, तो ये हो जाएगा पाई इंटू डी. अब डायमीटर और रेडियस में कुछ रिलेशन होता है. डायमीटर इज डबल ऑफ रेडियस, 2 times radius gives us diameter, isn't it children? आपको ये याद होगा, डायमीटर रेडियस का डबल होता है. जैसे ये सर्कल है, अगर रेडियस यहाँ से यहाँ है तो डायमीटर पूरा यहाँ से यहाँ तक है, तो डायमीटर इज डबल ऑफ रेडियस. सो 2 into रेडियस गिव्स अस डायमीटर. तो यहाँ हम डायमीटर की जगह लिख सकते हैं 2 into r. 2 into r. सो सर्कमफेरेंस का फॉर्मूला हो जाएगा 2 pi r. मतलब यदि आपको डायमीटर पता है तो आप बहुत इजीली सर्कमफेरेंस निकाल सकते हैं. कैसे? यहाँ पे पाई की जगह या तो 3.14 लिख दीजिए या 22/7 लिख दीजिए. जैसे आपसे बोला जाए डायमीटर ऑफ अ सर्कल इज 14 सेंटीमीटर, फाइंड द सर्कमफेरेंस, तो आप कैसे निकालेंगे? सर्कमफेरेंस इज पाई इंटू डी, सो 22/7 इंटू डायमीटर इज 14, so 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 22 into 2 44 सेंटीमीटर इज द सर्कमफेरेंस. या अगर आपको रेडियस पता है तो भी आप आराम से सर्कमफेरेंस निकाल सकते हैं. कैसे? सपोज द रेडियस इज 21 सेंटीमीटर, रेडियस इज इक्वल टू 21 सेंटीमीटर, तो सर्कमफेरेंस कितना होता है? 2 pi r. सो 2 into 22/7 into 21, तो 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21, so 22 into 3 66, और 66 into 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 6s are 12, 30, 132 centimeter will be the circumference of the circle. तो I hope you have understood it children. ये फॉर्मूला बहुत सिंपल है, just you can remember, so I have shown you by deriving it. आप डायरेक्टली भी इसे याद रख सकते हैं. सर्कमफेरेंस इज पाई इंटू डी, मीन्स पाई इंटू डायमीटर, जहाँ पे पाई की वैल्यू 22/7 या फिर 3.14 है. हम कुछ भी ले सकते हैं, आप चाहें तो उसको 22/7 लिख लें या 3.14 लिख लें, अदरवाइज इट विल बी गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन what value you have to take. Okay, so pi into diameter is circumference, or 2 pi r means 2 into pi into r, क्योंकि diameter होता है 2 into r, तो यहाँ diameter की जगह हमने 2 into r लिख दिया, तो 2 into pi into r is the circumference of the circle if radius is given, and pi d is the circumference of the circle if diameter is given. So this is all about your circumference, children. Watch it properly. After that we will move to the solved examples. I hope it will be clear to you. Thank you, children.